How to fix Telegram media not downloading. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go ahead and show you the steps on how you can fix Telegram media not downloading. Well, first things first, you want to open up Telegram. You want to make sure you have proper internet connection and strong internet connection, and that if you're using any VPNs, you can turn it off, or if you're not using, then it's fine. Now either ways, head into settings. Once under settings, what you want to do is you want to head into data and storage option here, and you can see automatic media download option. You can simply tap on reset auto download settings and reset it, and you can head into it, and you can see auto media download for photos is enabled, and using Wi-Fi for photos, storage, videos, here it is off. So you want to make sure it is enabled, right? So you can enable this here. Head into cellular. If you want to enable through cellular data, you can proceed to enable it from here. If you want to enable for videos and such, you can see videos. I can auto download video and GIFs from contacts, other private chats, group chats, channels, and up to 10 MB, or I can enable large video files as well. So this is how you can easily enable or fix Telegram media not downloading issue. Now if this isn't the issue, if you have enabled everything, then the issue might be your internet connection, or it can be an app glitch. If it is internet connection, make sure to check your internet connection, but if it is an app glitch, you can simply reinstall the app. Not worry, you won't lose any of your data, your chats, or your groups. Hope this video is helpful. Do like and subscribe.